Hello, welcome. You're here at Reading Simplified, and I'm Dr. Marty Ginsberg, and this is my friend, a kindergarten friend, who is just really surprising me with his reading today. He did a great job showing me some good stuff, and I want to show you how he is practicing his reading, practicing his phonics, and putting it all together in just one activity that's kind of guided reading and sort it. Sort it is a really simple activity where kids can sort by spelling and learn the phonics information in the context of real words, and in this case we're learning in the context of connected text. So here at Reading Simplified, we like to show teachers how they can save instructional time by combining a lot of activities all into one integrated activity so that kids get a lot more bang for their buck for every instructional second. So this is a great example of it. He has already learned the O sound and its key sentence, and he's learned the E sound and its key sentence, and he's done A, and now he's on to I. And this is really exciting because even in November he didn't know the short vowels, so he's moved quite a number of levels. So let's see how he does with reading this connected text and then searching for the sound that's the target sound, I, and then sorting by that spelling. Okay? So are you ready? Let's hear this story, this little poem. It's an old-fashioned famous nursery rhyme.
Can you read it first?
Well, this one we're going to read together. Okay, so let's just do that word.
Three.
Blend. What else could this be?
Blind.
Three blind
mice.
That's right, three blind mice. Have you ever heard of a nursery rhyme titled Three Blind Mice? Okay, well, let's try it. You might see the same thing right here. And if you guys pop in and have any questions, let me know. We're showing how he's learning phonics information in the context of reading a real text. Okay, three blind mice. Ready? Here we go.
Three blind mice.
Oh, good.
Three blind mice. See.
Yeah.
Home.
Good guess. Try ow.
How.
See how
they run.
See how they run. Are they going after her? Three blind mice. Three blind mice. See how they run.
See how they run.
And then what's this one? See how they run. One more time.
They all run. Ran.
They all ran. Here's
after the air.
It could be air. Try R in there.
Farm.
They all ran after the farmer's
wife.
They all ran after the farmer's wife. Really good. That's who.
Who cut.
Yeah, they all ran after the farmer's wife who cut
off their
Yep, you got it. It's crazy. Who cut off their You're right.
Tails.
Yeah, who cut off their tails.
With a
Try R.
Carve.
Yes, who cut off their tails.
Knife.
Who cut off their tails with a carving knife. You know what a carving knife is? A really big knife. This is crazy. Three blind mice. Three blind mice. See how they run. See how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife who cut off their tails with a carving knife. You're almost done.
Yay.
This is ooh.
Did you
First chunk. Try Did you nice.
See a
What sound is this? This is a new sound you just started working on.
Sight.
Sight. Did you ever see such a sight
In your life?
Did you ever see such a sight in your life?
As
three
blind mice.
Oh my gosh, that was amazing. That's very hard. This was his first time hearing it. So if you're just tuning in, this is an example of how a student, you're going to show me a few more things, a student can read connected text that targets a particular sound and practice that sound, search for it, we'll do that soon, and then sort it by the spelling. So he just rocked that because that was super hard, and I helped him with some, but you just did a lot of figuring out on your own, okay? So let me read it to you, and then we'll go do search for the sound. So this is a kind of a famous nursery
How
rhyme.
much sounds are we going to do?
Just one sound, I. 3 blind mice, 3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. Can you watch with me? They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a sight in your life as 3 blind mice? Now, do you think they're really blind? You do? I don't know. It's kind of, you can't tell from the picture, can you? So if you're just tuning in, thanks for being here. We're here at Reading Simplified, and my kindergarten friend is showing off what he can do reading, guided reading text that's kind of challenging, right? That was pretty hard, wasn't it? Because in November, he wasn't reading words, really. And now he's learning the I sound, and he's sorting it by spelling. Okay, so let's go on a hunt. Where are the I sounds? 3 blind mice. Circle them, please. 3 blind. Oh, you're starting down there. So we found the I in sight. If you have any questions about how to do this kind of combo activity of sort it, reading connected text, and search for the sound, let me know. Okay, he found life. Can we start at the top? You did a good job with those, but I want to start at the beginning and go in order. 3 blind mice. Where are the I sounds? Bingo. And if you have any questions, let us know. Here we are at Reading Simplified, showing how a student can read a connected text with a target sound, I. You're doing a great job. Keep going. And then he's searching for the sound, I, and all their spellings. There's several. He's found blind and mice, sight and like, life. And soon he'll sort it by spelling. Okay, 3 blind mice, 3 blind mice. See how they run. See how they run. They all, that's a next student. They all ran after the farmer's wife. Wow, you are rocking it. Okay, so we're running out of time, so I want you to take 2 words, whichever words you want, and I want you to put them down here. Let me show the people in the audience what it's going to look like. Okay, hold on. So he's found many eyes. So there you can see what his work. Now he's going to choose 2 of them and sort them by spelling. So what's our key sentence? I like
to try
to
find the right place.
This is the sound I. This is the sound I. I like to try to find the right pie. Okay, so how about you take blind? You want to take blind? Where would it go?
Blind.
Where would it go in your chart? Blind.
Here? No,
Let's see.
right there. Here.
Oh, bingo. Say the sounds as you do it. This is an important part. A word. Let's do mice. Where does that one belong?
Ice.
And the only switch is that you have another S picture. So let's make the other picture for S. This one, when it's followed by an E, can be S. Okay, can you fix that part? And then you'll be done. You've worked hard today. After school, after kindergarten, is a lot of work. S. Okay, look, let's show your fans what you've done. Ooh, there he's got the I spellings, and he's sorted them by the I words by spelling. And he can do the rest of this on his own, and he'll get reinforced with the phonics spellings, but also be reading real words. So that's a quick and easy way to integrate reading of a new text that targets a specific sound, then doing search for the sound, and then doing sorted. All three can happen in one page. This is the kind of page that is provided in our Reading Simplified Academy, which is an online membership that includes how to do these activities, when to do them, and then the resources that you would need like this. So I will put a link in case you're interested in learning more about the Reading Simplified Academy, but that was a short and sweet one. It's after a long day of kindergarten, it's hard to do too much work, and I have a new student coming, so thanks for being here. It's Reading Simplified, and if you want to like our page, that would be super awesome. Thank you. Or tag a friend.